Hello, my name is Jarl Kubat with West USA Realty and Arizona 55 Plus Communities. I specialize in selling homes in active adult retirement communities, resort-style country club communities, as well as golf communities throughout the greater Phoenix metro area. Please visit my website at www.justjarl.com. That's JUSTJARL.com, or you can give me a call at 480-710-6326. The condo that I'm standing in, I sold it to these clients here about 10 years ago. They've decided to make some other plans at this point. Very nice condo, coming turnkey, everything in it. All you really need is your toothbrush. Excellent condition, beautiful furniture, beautifully decorated. So enjoy the video. Call me with any questions. I look forward to meeting in person, and I truly appreciate your business. Thank you, and have a great day. So I'm standing in front of my new listing here in Sunland Village East in Mesa, Arizona. Sunland Village East is a 45-55 plus community. And beautiful, beautiful community. There's a little less than 2,800 homes. About 800 of those are condos, townhomes, and there's some of those that are also on the golf course. Sunland Village East has a one-time capital improvement fee of $2,100 when you first buy a home in here. And then it has an annual fee of $750 a year. That includes the use of all the amenities. They've got pickleball courts and tennis courts and a wood shop and craft and sewing rooms, stained glass, pottery, billiards room, all of the good stuff. They've got a little sports bar, nice restaurant up there, and a 64 par executive golf course. Pretty reasonable to golf here as well. This condo, so the master plan communities are $750 a year. And the condo fees here are $168 a month. And that includes the use of the, $168 a month for the condo. And that includes the water, the sewer, the garbage, roof repair, roof replacement, blanket insurance policy, which is your wind and fire, and all the exterior maintenance and pest control on the outside. So real reasonable HOA fees, and they've stayed at that price for quite a while. So the condo itself sits on the east side of the street facing west. This is looking up the street or down the street to the south. And then this is looking straight out from you, kitty corner to the west. Beautiful, very clean community. This townhome is coming completely furnished, turnkey, all the dishes, everything, just as you see it today, patio furniture and everything. So hang on to your eyeballs, gonna give you some live, raw, unedited, lots of blooper video here. Stepping just inside the front door, you got tile floors when you come in the entryway and the hallway throughout the kitchen and bathrooms. And again, this condo is coming exactly as you see it. Dishes, cupboards, pots and pans, everything in the cupboards is included in the purchase price here. And then immediately to the left here is your guest bedroom. It's got double doors on it. They have a trundle bed here. There's another bed that pulls out from underneath this. And then they've got a desk, little office set up in here, and there's plantation shutters on the windows here, and sunscreens on that front window as well. So here's looking into the guest bathroom. It's just past the guest bedroom, and you got a full tub and shower. You got granite countertops here. All of the sinks and faucets have been updated. And then right across the hallway from the guest bathroom, you've got a coat closet and then a double storage closet, and that acts as a half of a linen closet there. Just past that, you have a pocket door that closes off the laundry room. Washer and dryer, all of that stays. You've even got laundry detergent in the cupboard. The sellers have already vacated the property. They're not coming back. And again, the appliances have been updated not too long ago. You got nice handles on the cupboards, granite countertops, and a nice big patio door out to the backyard. Master bedroom is just to the right of the TV. Standing in the doorway to the master bedroom, looking out into the kitchen. All stainless steel appliances. Kind of a taupe color on the walls, looks very nice, goes with the flooring and the countertops very well. And then again, looking back towards the front door. So just past this table to the left is the laundry room. Then you've got a double closet there. Half of it's a linen closet, and just beyond that you've got a coat closet. Right across the hallway from those closets is the guest bathroom, guest bedroom, and then the front door. Beautiful, nice living room. Carpet is in good condition, and all the furniture as well. Here is the master bedroom, king-size bed, 2 nightstands, plenty of room to walk around the bed. You got dresser, another plantation shutter there as well. And then as we step into the bedroom here, here's the master bath, double sinks, granite countertops, and a walk-in shower down to the end with linen to the left of the shower. You also have a nice walk-in closet. It's hard to get you in some of these smaller, tighter areas off the video camera, but I've taken lots of pictures. So if it's something you're interested in, call me and I'll email you the pictures as well, because I took pictures from every angle and every direction. So I'm standing in the master bath, looking out into the master bedroom here. Again, nice king-size bed, plantation shutters with sunscreens on the window. These are all block construction, so you don't hear anything from the outside at all. But just a really nice condo. If you've stumbled into this video looking for a home for yourself in an Arizona 55+ community, resort-style community, or golf community, my name is Jarl Kubat. That's Jarlkubat. I specialize in selling homes across the valley in the resort-style communities. You can visit my website at www.justjarl.com. That's JUSTJARL.com, or give me a call at 480-710-6326. I'm a 55+ community specialist. That's all I do. So if you're looking to buy or sell a home in one of these communities, please look me up and give me a call, and I'll do everything I can to answer all your questions. Back to the video here, and we'll take you out to the garage here in just a few minutes as well. And just having another peek in the laundry room. Looking into the garage, it's got an insulated garage door. The door faces west on that garage door. So it's nice to have that insulated garage door, hot water heater over there in the corner, and you have a soft water loop if you do want to hook up a water softener. Also, this community down to the end of the streets, if you've got a car and you want a golf cart, they've got a golf cart garage. You pay like $150, $200 a year, and that includes the electricity. You can keep your golf cart down there, and it's just a few short steps from this condo to go ahead and park it in there, and you can keep your car in the garage and a golf cart just down the street from you. Here we are looking out onto the back patio. You could do an extended patio cover over here as well. This is looking to the south. And this here is looking to the north. As is the case with all of these townhomes, the air conditioner's up on the roof. This roof was just recently replaced by the HOA, I would say in the last 8 years. Back patio, again, you got a storage closet just to the right there, and you could extend that patio out as well. So I got you looking over the top of the fence here. I can't see what we're looking at, so hopefully this is working. I'm a little short on one end here. But this is not a street that is connected to the freeway. It dead ends at Baseline, and then it goes down to about Elliott, the 202 area there.